Well, we're out ice fishing today. There's 3 or 4 inches of pretty good ice. We just got the bait and I forgot to take the video, but got probably enough to fish for the day.
We only had the trap in for like 10 hours.
Yeah.
This is the first time we've been fishing. Last year, the last day, we went through with a snowmobile and it was bad. Had to hire divers to get our stuff. We had to swim out. It weren't good. I'm not excited about it.
No, but hopefully we get some brook trout today. All right. Well, the wind just started howling, but we just got both of our 4th traps out, and his second one went up, and mine way out across the pond just went up.
These are my new little, my little brook trout traps when there's no ice. And there is no ice.
You got any movement?
I don't know, I can't
Let's
tell.
see.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Shit.
Yeah.
That's too much line. Yeah, I got whatever I got. I've got it.
Is it okay sized or no?
I can't tell. It's in the weeds now. I lost it.
Oh, really?
Yes. Shit. Shit. That sucks. I definitely had something. It peeled some line out.
That's all right. We'll get him again. All right, we're gonna run out across and get my tip up. Well, we were walking out across to go to mine, and his went up right next to us, so hopefully you don't lose in the weeds. The wind is howling. Moving?
No.
Yep, yep, get it. Get it?
I can't tell. No? Spin it.
Oh.
Get it. Where's I gotta get it down. It had it though.
Yeah, it was pulling it. Whew. That wind is just friggin' howling. Alright, we'll see ya when we get over to mine.
Here we go, we're at Braden's tip up. The wind is absolutely howling. It is cold.
No, I don't think so.
Nothing.
No. It's on bait.
It's brook trout fishing for you.
Whew, cold.
Oh well. We're just walking back to the shack, and that's it. But he just got one right here. These are my new little mini traps for fishing in shallow water, shallow ice. Not super excited about how tall the flags are though. I'm gonna have to do something about that. It's so cold, I can't stick your hands on it. Pocket it for a minute. Really?
Yep. Yeah, got it.
Really?
Yeah, it's not a bad trout.
Be able to get up to that.
It's not a bad trout. Yeah. Oh, it's really not a bad one.
Really? Have you seen it yet?
I'm trying to get the stuff out. I can hear it flying, that's why I was getting a little. Might be fast. Yeah, fast. Oh. That's not what I thought I had, but
That's a pisser.
at least got something to catch. Woo.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, we're all the way back down to his first trap. I'm not sure how long this one's been up, but hopefully it's got a brook trout on it. It's been pretty fast action. What?
It just broke.
Really?
Yep.
Shoot.
Oh yeah, it's a lot of line out.
It's going.
A lot of line out. Yep. Can't tell. It's on something. I think I feel a fish. Yeah, I feel a fish.
Little?
Yep.
Huh. Here, you want me to? I'll get that up afraid of it.
Man, it feels fun. Feels like a bass.
Really?
For a stick.
Is it even shaking?
Oh, nice picking around. They're my favorite anyway. Oh!
Oh, a lot of running for that. A lot of running for a friggin' pickerel.
Whoops.
All right.
See if there's a skimmer in back of the truck or anything.
Well, hopefully we get some more. Something actually worth catching.
Bray's got a tip up. Just put this trap in.
I don't know. I don't think so. Just took my bait. Yeah, just took my bait.
Little bastards. Alright. We finally got another tip up. The snow isn't bad, it's the wind and it is stiflingly cold.
Yeah, I got something. Oh, I pulled out of his mouth. Alright, well, this trap just went right back
Hold on,
up.
he's got a tip up. Hold on 1 second. Oh,
Yeah.
did you get it? What is it?
I don't know. It's got it's a brook trout.
He's got a brook trout.
I don't know. Yeah, it is.
Little brook trout. Little, that's a native brook trout. They can say what they want on you. This pond is not stocked. It's just the beaver flowage.
Let's see. Not a bad one either. It's gonna be quick. It's so cold out.
With 10, 12 inches.
Yeah. I think she's on the 12 more than 10.
Yeah.
Nice little brookie.
Yep.
Get that hook straight out.
Perfect. Yeah, look at the fins and everything. They'll still probably say it's. That's why we
Straight
get tip up some spits. They just.
And just.
There you go.
Woo!
Perfect.
It's
Nice.
freezing.
We got one.
Finally, something worth catching.
All right.
Well, the weather's gotten worse and worse all day, but we got another tip up. It's been pretty slow. It is cold.
It is snowing. I'm ready to go, but he won't leave. Anything?
Oh, I stole a bait again. Yep.
Alright.
I did.
We gotta move the ice house because I'm a little nervous. It's so hot in there, we ain't got no ice here. Don't want to go down through in the ice house. Went back up. Did he spit it again? Oh. Okay. He's got a tip up. I have a tip up. I think we're gonna call it. That's a lot of water. Yeah. Not a little nice.
Oh, you're making a mess, buddy.
Beautiful little native. Yep. Yeah, show the fins and stuff. See? Oh, don't do that. Throw them right back.
Whew. That's cool. All right.
Perfect.
I can't believe it's like. All right, we'll be back. Go get his bro. All right. Well, we're at his trap. Hopefully, he's got one too. Been complaining all day.
Ain't looking good.
It ain't looking good. It's off the side pretty hard.
It just took
Oh, it went. It went.
Yep.
Yep. There's definitely something on there. At least it looks like it. Get it?
Yep.
Brook trout or?
Oh, it just popped off.
Oh,
as soon as I did that.
Shoot. Using giant bait. Huh. Well, that sucks. All right. I think that's probably it for the day. Well, it wasn't much of a video, but about the only pond we can get onto. Everything's wicked unsafe. So hopefully this ice stays for a little bit longer and we can get a few more videos out. All right.